Hey guys, so I am finally sitting down today to film somewhat of a normal video. Just a quick update in case you missed my last video. I recently moved back to Oregon, but I still don't have my things. It is January 13th and I'm filming this. Our stuff was supposed to come on the 11th, should come this weekend. Not too sure yet, but I'm super excited because I finally sat down and put on a full face of makeup for the first time in weeks, and we're gonna do a little retail therapy today and shop at Sephora. This video is kindly sponsored by TopCashback, which is my favorite website to use to get cash back when I'm shopping online. It is super easy to sign up for TopCashback. All you need to enter is just your email address and a password, and you are ready to start earning money when you're shopping online. When you're ready to shop online, just go to TopCashback.com and you're gonna type in the name of the retailer in the little search bar, search the retailer and click get cash back now, and you'll be directed back to the retailer site and you'll just shop as usual. You can also download the TopCashback browser extension, and this is really handy because it kind of helps you not miss out on your cash back. So for example, if you're shopping on a website that offers cash back with TopCashback, it'll pop up in the upper right hand corner, get cash back now, so you'll never miss out on any cash back. TopCashback has over 4,000 retailers on their website, and there are no minimum payouts, which is one of my favorite things. And I like to get my payouts in the forms of gift cards. I actually recently just got a Target gift card with my TopCashback money, and I use that to buy a couple things for our new home. So I just love getting gift cards with my cashback. Kind of random, you can also use TopCashback on the IHG Hotels website, which I did for our road trip back here to Oregon. So for every night we were traveling, 7 days, I booked a hotel through IHG and TopCashback. So I got cashback for every single hotel that I booked, so that was really nice. And if you're new to TopCashback and you sign up, you'll get a $10 welcome bonus when you spend $25 or more. And like I said, we're shopping at Sephora today, so it's really easy to spend a minimum of $25, so you'll for sure get that $10 bonus. I am so excited to shop right now. I just love browsing through Sephora's site, and I haven't done it in a while because I've just been so busy with moving and everything. And like I said, I just need some retail therapy. So let's get started. Okay, let's start with some cash back. So I'm gonna go to the topcashback.com website. And like I said, we're shopping at Sephora, so I'm gonna type that in the search bar here. All right, and it looks like I'll get 4% cash back today. So I'm gonna click on that and then get cash back now. So easy. Okay, I'm so excited to shop. I already have things in my basket. What do I have in here? So currently in my basket, I have the Bumble and Bumble. It's a primer, but it's like a heat protected, and I need a heat protected because I've been like curling my hair more with a curling iron. So I'm gonna keep that in there. And then I have the Briogeo Curl Control Gel. I don't know if I need that right now, but let's keep it in there. Okay, but you know what I do need just like right off the bat? I need some Grande Lash. My lashes are so bad right now, like especially on the right side of my eye. I know this product is expensive, but it works. And like I was saying, I sleep on the right side of my face, so my right eyelashes are just like so short and just all over the place. My left eye just looks really good. So I'm gonna get the 3-month supply. That's like the normal size. It's so expensive, but I need it. Okay, let's go to the news section, the best section of Sephora. Okay, I just saw Kayla posted a TikTok with this today. Oh my gosh, of course it's out of stock of all the light colors. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Medium Coverage with Hyaluronic Acid. That sounds so hydrating. What shade is this? Very Fair with Warm Golden. That's not me. I want this. I would probably be this color if they had it. So I'm gonna favorite this for later. We're coming back to that. Oh, I'm so sad it's out of stock. I saw these all over Instagram, the Rare Beauty bronzer sticks. It's out of stock. Is it gonna be one of those days? Are you serious? Let's look here. Freaking Better Than Sex. Just stop. See, my issue is right now is since I just moved back to Oregon is like I don't have all my makeup with me. I only have like 2 makeup bags of the products that like I know I need just to do like a basic full face. And I miss all my other makeup so bad. Oh my gosh, I love these things. I recently started using, I don't know how to say it, gua sha? I think that's right. Maybe not. But I've been using that on my jawline and I feel like I see a difference. And my boyfriend thinks I'm crazy, but I like it. So get that if you don't have one of those. That's a pretty palette. Lunar New Year. What is this brand? In Beauty Project. I've never heard of this. Interesting packaging. packaging. Okay, I don't really need any skincare right now. It seems very like marketed towards teenagers. Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Rice Water Protein Moisture Strengthening Treatment. I don't need all that, but that sounds nice. A little eye cream. I've really been trying to like use and finish my products before I buy new one, especially with skincare because it takes me so long to finish a product. That's a good little duo. The Brow Wiz plus the Brow Pen. Oh, the new ABH lip liners. Okay, I've been using like Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude for everything. So it'd be kind of fun to switch it up. This hazelnut shade. That does not look like a rosy brown. That looks freaking peach. That is not a rosy brown. Liars. Deep warm peach, soft warm brown. I wish I could see like all of them swatched together. What if I look up ABH lip liners? No one has swatches online. Cool. I literally only have one lip liner here with me, so I could... Hazelnut looks like a good color. Let's try that. Okay, but they also had new lipsticks. Matte and Satin. Okay, I'm definitely not a matte finish, you guys know that. See, again, I wish I could see all the shades swatched together because that kind of helps me like pick the ones that I know work for me and the ones that I know that don't work for me. Doesn't make me very happy. I think I'm gonna pass then because I think I would pick just a weird color. And all I really want is just nude lipsticks. So we'll pass on that. Let's go back. Oh, this palette looks so pretty. The mini Biba palette from Natasha. I already have the full-size palette, not with me, but I don't need that. But that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, so many people were asking me about this. Should I buy it? Look at these shades. You know what? I feel like I should treat myself to a new eyeshadow palette. So I might do it. Looks like it has really good reviews too. Extremely pigmented, gorgeous. One of the most beautiful palettes, gold. Oh, yeah, okay, buying that. Oh, this has bad reviews. The new Fenty liquid highlighter. I'm not even gonna look at it then. Ooh, new Ula. I like Ula Henderson skincare. I feel like I'm seeing lots of like skincare and like base products. I'm gonna look on Trend Mood really quick because I feel like there was a bunch of things I wanted to try. And Trend Mood always posts everything. So let's see. NARS had a new foundation out. Advanced Skincare Foundation. It is new. Okay, what does it say about this foundation? Liquid, medium coverage, natural finish, good for dull, uneven texture, dark spots, redness. Okay. You know what I need? I need another like pale foundation. I only have one with me and it's like not pale enough. Okay, breathable, medium coverage, 70% skincare ingredients. That's kind of cool. Let's do DeVille. I'm excited, a new foundation. Yeah, okay. I remember in my last video, I think it was my 2021 favorites, everyone was telling me to get the Makeup by Mario, the bronzer stick. So let's go there. Okay, shaping stick. Yay. They're sold out. I'm sad. Well, that's shitty. Didn't Rare have another new product? I want to get more into Rare Beauty. Ooh, I heard good things about the new mascara. Okay, let's do a mini of the Rare Beauty mascara. So what does it say? Volumizing, curling, lengthening, long wearing. That's a lot of claims. Also super random. I've been using the Rare Beauty pencil and gel and I really like it. I like the gel on there. Has Fenty come out with anything new? I'm trying to like think of like my favorite brands. I haven't looked at Sephora in so long. How's Fenty doing? Oh yeah, I saw they came out with new shades of this. They have Fussy. They do have Fussy. Ooh. Should I try this heat one? See, this looks nice. Okay, do I want Fenty Glow, Sheer Rose Nude, or Sheer Pink? Let's do Fenty Glow. Like for the OG color. Okay, I'm excited to try that. The heat formula. Oh, I think KVD had a product I want to try. I don't know what it was, but I remember seeing it and I was like, I want that. The gel contour. Oh, also Charlotte Tilbury. Remind me when we're done with this. I saw this on TikTok. And they have the light shade left. They're out of everything else that I freaking want. Okay, I'm getting it, I'm going. Go, go, go. Also, I need a lighter shade of the Hollywood Flawless Filter. They have a mini in it. Ooh. Random story, but I first bought this product a couple years ago. Like, it wasn't too big yet. And I was shopping in Sephora and I thought it was a foundation. It's not a foundation. And I thought it was a foundation, but it's not. So I bought like shade 5 in it to try to like cover my whole face, but it's really not my shade. You kind of wear it underneath your foundation. Oh, they got swatches. Wait. See, this is what I like when there's swatches of all the shades together. See, look how dark that is. Like, that is not... I feel like I'm probably like a 2.5 or 3. Okay, I'm gonna get the mini and I might regret it. How's my cart looking? Got 9 items, that's a lot. Oh, I did put the ABH lip liner in there. Okay, I'm taking the ABH lip liner out. I don't trust it because I can't see all the swatches together. I also just don't need this gel right now. I have a lot of hair products here, but I do need a primer, hair primer. I need the Grande Lash. I want a new eyeshadow palette. It's $70, but I'm fucking doing it. Foundation, love to try. New mascara, lip gloss, flawless filter. This is a good kind of like a full face look here. All right, I'm gonna check out now and get my 4% cashback at Sephora. I'm sad that they were out of a lot of things that I wanted to try, but I think I got some good stuff in here and I got some new products to try. Maybe I'll do like a little full face video once they come. Let me know if you'd wanna see that. Again, don't forget to sign up for TopCashback so you can start earning cash back when you're shopping online. I'll leave a little sign up link down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.